Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Elanna if you are new to my channel. And today's look is a little bit of a glow up situation. I've been in a little bit of a funk with how I've been feeling, just a little bit tired, exhausted, all that fun stuff. And I just sometimes need a little bit of a pick-me-up with makeup, and that definitely helps. So this is the look that gives me a little bit more of a put together vibe. So if you are interested in seeing this makeup look, then just keep on watching. All right, I'm in just one of those funks at the moment. The last week I've just felt blah, my skin's been blah, just everything. Like I just, ugh. You know, I'm sure you've felt like that before. Like, I don't know who hasn't, but we're gonna try and lift our spirits. I know it comes from within, but a little bit of makeup and hair definitely helps the situation as well. I'm gonna go back to an old favorite because it's tried and trusted and I know it will do me good. NARS Sheer Glow in Punjab. The only thing is I don't have a beauty blender or a beauty sponge at the moment, so I'm gonna have to use a brush, and I haven't used a brush with this in a very long time. Not sure why I picked this brush, but we're gonna use it. It's the MAC Oval 6. Oval 6. Remember when these were like all the hype? Also, I put on these really extra earrings to kind of make me feel a little bit more bougie. Okay, here we go. Love that foundation. It's not going to give you like super like matte full coverage kind of look. You can keep adding it if you want, but I don't want to put my whole face under full coverage. I just want the areas that need a little bit more coverage with more coverage. So I'm gonna go into this concealer, which now I'm realizing I should have probably gone just a tad bit darker. This is the NW15 MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It's really good, but I should have got NW20. It's a little bit on the pale side, but that's okay. It works really well under my eyes. To set it all in place and add a touch more coverage, I'm gonna take the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NW22. Love this bad boy, forgot how much I loved it. I used to only wear this in my first year of college. Like that's all I wore because I was scared of like liquid or cream foundation because I had oily skin. So this was like my holy grail product. But now I'm just gonna dust it all over my face, but concentrate it on areas that need a little bit more coverage, like my jawline. And it doesn't make it like powdery or anything. It just like melts into this velvet consistency. So beautiful. I really do love it. For bronzer, I've gone back to another OG. This one has lasted me ages, which probably should throw it out or repurchase, but I haven't even hit pan, so we all do it, right? It's the Marc Jacobs, what is this? Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. So good, and it smells so nice. And the color is really honestly perfect for me in fall and winter because it's not as deep and bronzy as some other bronzers I have for summer. So I tend to actually use it more in the cooler months when I don't have too much of a natural color, because I feel like my other bronzers are too intense on my face, where this one just, well, you'll see, it's just not as intense and it blends in perfectly. See? Plus it smells unreal. Okay, what the flip? Look at this. Can you guys see? Oh, it's too bright. If I go back more? This is crazy. What did I know what I did. I was plugging in this ring light, and Patty, for our anniversary, got me these flowers, and there's these lilies that have just bloomed, and I'm pretty sure the middle part is like extremely concentrated in color. Oh my goodness, because this was just washed. Hopefully that doesn't stain. Flip. For blush, I was debating using a Bobbi Brown cream one, but I think I'm gonna use a powder one just because I don't know, I just don't feel like it. This is a Topshop one, and it's in the Shouter in the color Game Changer. Love this blush. It's a really pretty mauve cool tone blush. Pop it onto the apples of my cheek and blend up. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna go into my brows, but first I'm gonna do a winged liner. This is the Benefit Eye Roller Liner, and it's like a little felt tip in brown. I haven't done a winged liner in a good long time, so I feel like it's gonna bring a little bit of sass back into this look. So I have my lash extensions on, so I'm just really gonna put it at the outer line because there's already a lot of fullness around my lash line, so I don't really need to put a lot of liner there. I just really need it on the outer corner. Those are totally different wings. One is going up and one is like lightly going up. Guys, as soon as you stop doing winged liner, oh my goodness, you definitely lose your knack for it. Lighting change? I feel like it looks a little bit darker. Whatever. We're gonna move on to brows. Now, on the weekend, I did get, what are they called? Lamination brows. And you're supposed to like brush up your brows and they stay in a brushed up position up to 2-3 months. So like that. Although I have two very different brows, so this one doesn't really look that good brushed all the way up. So I don't really like it all the way brushed up. But I feel like they fall down constantly. It's kind of like a brow perm. I don't know, have you guys heard about it? I'm glad I tried it, but like my brows definitely don't stay like this all day. Like they fall down or like they go in different ways. And she said if you just put brow gel on in the morning, then it stays in place. But I can't just put brow gel on with like my natural brow hairs. I have to fill them in still because I have lots of gaps and my brows are a lot more fair compared to, you know, what I want them to be. So I don't know. I think I'd just stick with HD brows, which is wax and tint and like a shape. I feel like that's more my jam. But if you have naturally thick brows and you just want them in a brushed up shape, then it might be suited to you. But if you need to fill in your brows like me, then I don't know if it's worth it. See, I feel like this gel keeps my brows in place all day. I don't think I needed the lamination to do that. To brighten up the inner corners, I'm gonna put a touch of this MAC Paint Pot in Bare Study. So pretty. I'm gonna take my pinky here and just press it in there. It's gonna help with opening my eyes a little bit more, making them a little bit brighter. I'm actually gonna use this as a little bit of a highlight as well. So a little bit on my nose. Cupid's bow. This is a MAC Fix Plus in the matte. Oh, so good. Definitely repurchasing this. Ooh, just showered in that. Let me get a lipstick and I'll be right back. What color do I wanna do? I wiped off my lip balm, which was the by Terry No. 1 Rosy Babe. My lips feel nice and hydrated because I'm gonna do a liquid lipstick, which I haven't done in a hot minute. The lip liner I'm gonna use is the Charlotte Tilbury Super Size Me. Love this lip liner and love their lip liners. They're so nice and creamy. And then the liquid lipstick is Ofra Aries. I actually feel a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness, makeup is just so nice to elevate how you feel sometimes, you know what I mean? Obviously I don't rely on it, but it definitely helps some days. All right, that is it. That's my little autumnal little glow up, feel better kind of makeup and, well, not really hairstyle, but you do you. If you feel like wearing no makeup makes you feel better, you go for it. Everyone has their thing. I just was in a little bit of a funk the last couple of days and thought I would film the makeup that makes me feel just a little bit more put together. Hashtag mom life. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want me to film. Hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.